this is Sky Gunter with eXp Realty. Today is Feature Friday, and I am about to show you this house on 1326 Lakeshore Drive in Griffin, Georgia. It is $219,900. It is built in 1967. It has 1,800 square feet. This house is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It is listed by Kimberly East Hope with Remax Southern. Let's go take a look inside.
Beautiful, his loss. So put on your high heels. I bet you're gonna love the way it feels to get up off the bathroom floor. What you want, baby, I got.
Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. This is Feature Friday, so come back and see what we have next. Don't forget Saturday, January the 30th, they're having an open house here, so come by from 12 to 2. And don't forget to tell Kim Sky sent you.